The truth is that not all cycle paths are made equal. Factors such as the road width, parking, the prevailing speed limit, and the number of vehicles, in addition to the actual quality of the cycling infrastructure, affect how safe they feel to use, and therefore how much they will be used. The low-stress framework is an emerging idea in cycling research that aims to describe this phenomena by assigning road segments a value from 1 to 4, with 1 being appropriate for everyone to use, including children, and 4 being appropriate only for those experienced, confident cyclists. You can see number 1 here is a completely separated off-road path, whereas number 4 is just a bit of pain between you and 60 km/h traffic. Roger Geller, who helped to pioneer this idea, put it really succinctly. Riding a bicycle should not require bravery, yet all too often that is the perception among cyclists and non-cyclists alike. This is an important area of research because more cities are starting to recognize the value of getting more people riding bikes for everyday purposes, and the benefits that that brings to the environment, to communities, and to the livability and accessibility of our streets. The goal of my research is to understand what kind of infrastructure is actually usable for the vast majority of people, where that infrastructure is located, how the different pieces connect together, and how that affects our choice to bike or to not bike. To achieve this, I'm combining data sets held by local governments and Waka Kotahi together in order to calculate the road stress value for every single road segment across several cities. Then I'm combining this with commuting and demographic data from the census in order to build a cycling mode choice model. Internationally, infrastructure tends to be the strongest indicator for cycling uptake, though several studies have also found that certain demographic factors also tend to have an effect, such as ethnicity, the number of students, household income, and so forth. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how the balance falls in a New Zealand context so that we can learn the best and most effective way to get more people riding bikes in our cities safely. Thank you.